Watch the field behind the plow turn to straight dark rows. Feel the trickle in your clothes, blow the dust cakes from your nose. Hear the tractor's steady roar. No, you can't stop now, with a quarter section more or less to go.
Hey guys, we're back with Wyatt's Tractor Sales for another video. Today we're at Mount Sterling, Missouri at the Heseman farm equipment auction conducted by Wheeler Auction. Got lots of big farm equipment today, lots of tillage equipment, augers, planters, tractors, a combine, some grain trucks, all kinds of good stuff. We'll let you get right to the auction.
A lot of that, didn't he? 74, we're going online. You bet. All right, got a little 6 bottom age plow, boys. Here we go. How many number here? 25, 50, 25, $15, $50. $25, $15, $25, $15, 25, 55, $50, 30, 40. I get $30, $40. I'm at $30, 40. I'm at $30, 40, 40, 40, 40, 50. I get $40, 15, 40, $50. I'm at 40, 50. I'm Drew's way, 40, 50. I get $15, 60. I'm at $16, 16, 16, sold it. $50. You bought them on the number 152. Lot 902's the next one. Here we go. At 25, 50, 25, 15, 75, 75, $100 bill. But the here number one. I'm at 75 here, $100 bill. But the here number one. $100, 75, one. At 75, $100. I'm $100, $100, now $100, one. It's $75 now. $100, $100, out of the here. Now get a baby the one, $100, one. Sold $75. You bought them on. But who did, guys? 33, the buyer, 33, you bet. All right, 801's a big ox ripper, 7 shanker now, you bet. 100 down 2, I got 100 down 2, 3, 4, 5, I 5, yes 5, 600, I'm at 5 down 600, I'm at 600 down 5, 600 down 5, 5 and a half, 600, I'm at 5 and a half, 600 down 7, down 700 down 700 down 600 down 700 down 700, I'm at 600 down 700 down 700 down 700, I'm 600 down 7, did 700 down 700 down 700 down 600 down 700. Hold on, equipment faxes in. You're out 700. I'm at 600 down 7. Bruce, you're out 700 down 700 down 600 down 700. You're looking at the here now. Get a baby to get down 700 down 600 down. Sold it. Online 600. California, Missouri 112983. 112983. All right, $50.75. Lot 802. $100 now half. I'm at 150. I'm at 1 here now 50. 100 now 50. I'm at 100. 150. I'm at 100 now 1 and a half here now 15. Who got quarter? 100 and a quarter. I'm at 125, 125, but baby, 125. Yep, 125. Hello, sir. I got 125, baby, 125. 100, 1 and quarter. 110, 20, 110, 20 of balls, 20, 30, 40. I got 130, 140, 140, 50. I now 50, now 75. I now 175, 75, now 75, 175, but now not get a baby, 15, now 75, 2. At $200, 2. Sold it. 175 of balls, Missouri, 305-927. 305-927. Hey, the only green thing here, Charles, I do believe. $100 bill, 100 and a half. I'm at 150 now 2. Now 2, now 2, now 15, now 3. I 250 now 3, now 300 now 3, now 300 now 250 now 3, now 3, now 300 now 250 now 3. What 300 now 3 now 50? I'm at 300 now 350. Here now get a baby 300 now 3 and a half. I'm at 350. I'm at 300 now half. I'm at 300 now 300 now half. Here now get a baby now 3 and a half. Here we go. $300 now have it all done. I'm at 350. I'm at $300 down, 15 down, 350. I have sold it online. $300 on to the number 8164. 8164. Wish that was bigger. All right, here we go. Right there now. The International 5513 Shank Chisel Plow. All right, $100 2 now 3. I'm at $200 now 3 now 4. I'm 400 now 3 4. I'm 4 now 5. 500 now 5 600. I'm at 500 now 600 now 500 now 600 now 600 now 600 now 500. I got 4. No, I got 4 right here, Kirby. You got to be 5. 4 now 5. 500 now 400 now 5. 500. I have 500 now 5. 500 now 400 now 5. 500 now 5. 500 now 5. 500 now 4 5. I'm at 400 now 5. 500 now 5. 500 now 5. 500. Get a bit here now. Get a bit down 500 now 500. Not sold it. 400. 99034. 99034. Mountain Grove, Missouri. All right, rounding up here, 805 is a Ford Chisel Plow, 100, 100 and a half, 2, now 200, now 2, high 1, now 2, 200, now 2, now 200, now 2, now 200, now 75, I got 100, now 75, 2, high 175, now 2, high 200, now 2, now 200, now 2, 200, high 175, now 2, 2 quarter, high 2, now quarter, I'm a 2, now 25, 25, now 225, whoop, 200, now 25, 25, now 225, at the bottom, you're not going to be now 2 quarter and a half, now 250, sir, right here, now 50, 50, now 250 on, I get here to half arm here on 250, 250, I get 2 and a quarter, 2 and a half. I'm at 215, 225, and a 2 and a half. Bill Grant's in the lead, 2 and a quarter, 2 and a half, and I have sold it 2 and a quarter. Bill on the hill.
On the hill,
145. Bill on the hill. Here you go. Got a Hiniker field cultivator now. Look around here. Boys, a pretty good rig right there now. $2,000 on her. 2,000 now, 2,000 now, 500, 600. I'm at 500 now, 600. I'm at 500 now, 600 now, 700 now, 800 now, 9. I'm at 900 now, 1,000 now, 1,000 now, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, go to work, 15, 16, 15, 16, 100 now, 17, 18, 19, 2, now 2,000 now, 2, I'm at 1900 now, 2, now 2,000, you're not going to be able to get out. Got 17 from the internet, 18, that's 17, 18, that's 17, 18, that's 17, 18, 18, 18, 19. Gotta be 19, Darren. I'm sorry. 18, 19, 19, now 2, now 2, Dusty 2, I'm $2,000 now 2, I'm at 1900 now 2, now 2,000 now 2, now 2,000, I'm at 1900 now 2, now 2,000 now 2, now 2, Dusty, want to get 2, 2,000 now 2, now 2,000, here we go, I get 19, 2, 2,000 now 2, now 2, 2, 2, now 2,000, you're not gonna bet, sold it, 1900, you bought them on, but a number. 211, guys, here's a late model piece early in the day here. Here's our Case IH 335 VT, guys. It's a 25-footer right there. Rolling basket, true tandem now. A down pressure on the harrow, guys. Got a hydraulic down pressure on the harrow. All right, somebody give me $35,000, $35,000. Come on, Kirby. How much here? I got about 15, 17, 5. 17, 5, 20. I'm at 17, 5 here now. 20 to 20,000, now 20 to 20,000. 20 to 25, now 25. 25,000, now 22,000, 25, 25,000. 25, 3, 4. 23, 24, 5. 25, 5, 6,000. 25, 26,000. 25, now I get 26,000 now, 25, $6,000. I'm at 26,000 now, 7,000 now, 27. I'm at 26,000 now, 7,000 here, not gonna be $27,000. Do you want 27? It's a 335, gentlemen. 28, 28 now, 9. 8 bid now, 9. 29,000. 8,000 now, 9,000 now, 29,000. 28 now, 9,000 now, 29. 8,5 now, 9. 28, 5, 9. 28, 5 now, 9,000 now, 29,000 now, 9,000 and it's cheaper in the shop bull. 29,5, 29,9,5 and 9,5, 30. Now 30,000 now, 30 now, 30,000 now, 30,000 now, 30,000 now, 30 now, $30,000. I'm 9,5 now, 30. I'm 30,000 now, 30 now. They see here. I got 30 now, 30,000 now, 30 now, 30,000. Hello, big crane, 30,500. I'm at 30,500. I'm 30,000 now, $500. He's over there when there's red paint. He'll be there. 30,500 now, 1. Now 31, 31,000 now, 1,000 now, 31. 31,000 now, 1,000 now, 31,000. 30,1, 1, 5. 31 now, here now, 5. 31, 5. At 31,000 now, $500 now, $500. You're not going to be able to 1, 1, 5. I get 31, 1, 5. And now 2, now 32. At 1, 5. And now 2, 2, 2, 2. High 32,000 now, 2. Get 1, 5. And you're not going to be able to get 2 now, 2. Last and final call. You want to get 32, sir? 30 now, 5. 32.5, 32.5, 32.5, 32.5. Do you want them now 3? Now 33,000, now 3, now $3,000. You're not going to be able to get 3, now 3, 3, 3. High 32,000, now 3, at 33,000, now 3, now 3,000, now 3, now $3,000. Now 3, 5, I get 33, 33, 5, 33, 5, now 4, high $34,000. At 34,000, now 4, 4, 4. You're not going to be able to get 34,000. At 33, high 34, high $34,000. You're not going to be able to get 4, 4 now. $34,000 gotta go at $34,000. Do you want them to be able to be $4,000 now? 5. I now 34.5. I'm 34.5. Do you want them to be able to be 34.5? I'm at $34,500 now, $500 now, 34.5. I'm at 34.5. Do you want them to be able to be 5.5? And now you're not going to be able to get $500 and $500. I have 34.5 now, 35,000. now 35,000. 35,000 now, fine, now 34, 35, $35,000. I hope he doesn't get disconnected. 35,000 now, 55. I'm at 35,500. I'm 35,500. Do you want to? Thank you all. 35,000 all done. Sold it. 35,000 on the phone. 35,000, and that'll be
148.
148. All right, right up here. Here's 808 now. A 496 32 footer. Guys, we're going to sell with the Rimlinger hair and all now. Rimlinger hair and all. All right, $5,000 on here. You $5, I can find $1,000 bill, 1,500. Everybody, you $1,000 down, 15, $1,000 down, 15, 12 and a half, 15, 15 now, 17, 15. I'm at 15 now, 17, 15. You're not gonna be able to get down 17 and a half now, 2, now 2,000 now, 2, 2, 2. I'm 17, 15 now, 2, now $2,000. You're not gonna be able to get 2, 2. $2,000. You're not gonna be able to get 2, now 2,000. You're not gonna be able to get 17, 15 now, 2, now $2,000. Do you want 2? $2,000 now, 2,000 now, 2. 2,000 you're not gonna be able to get 17 and a half. 2,000's all 2. 2,000 now 2. You're in 17 and a half. 2. I'm at 17. 15 down 2. 2,000 now 2. 22 and a half. I'm at 2,000 now 2. 50 now 2 and a half. Now 5. $2,500 now 5. I'm not gonna be able to get 25. 7 and a half. Now 27 and a half. 25. Now 7 and a half. But 27. 50. I'm at 25. Now 7 and a half. Now 3. $3,000 now 3. 3. But I'm not gonna be able to get 3. 3. 27 and a half. One more. What to get 3, sir? $3,000 down. 32 and a half. I'm at 3,000 and 2 and a half. 31, 2. 32. Do you give with your 31s? That would have bid you 32, 31, 32, 31, 32. Now 3. Now $3,300 and a 3. $3,200 and a $300 and a $300 and a $300. I sold it. $3,200 on the hill. 167, is that right?
Yeah.
1, 6, and a 7. All right, got an Anhydrous applicator toolbar. Hello, my friend. How are you? All right, have it on a $100 bill. 200 where? I'm at 102. 2. Raven controller now. 102. 200. Got the flow trolls. 202. 200. That's what they call Kirby. Flow troll. 200. 102. 102. 202. 200. I got 102. 202. I'm at 102. 2, 202, I got 102, 202, guys that buy the cylinders, buy the equipment off of her. $100 bill, 200 where? 200 on it, 102, I 100 down 2, 200 down 2, 100 down 2, 3, 200 down 3, 300 down 200 down 3, 3, but 3. Watch Jim now. I get 200 down 300 down 200 down 3, 3, but here now I get 300 down 200 down 300. Sold it. $200 on the hill. You bought it on 167. Thank you. 200. 167. Roll up here. 28 footer, boys. 496 disc right here, guys. What a good outfit right there. And how many dollars on her? Pretty good blades here, boys. 5,000 on her. I got 225. I 225. I 25. 2,000. 22 and a half. I'm at 22. Down 5. Down 25. Down 5. 22. Down 25. Down 7 and a half. Now 3. Now 3. Now 3. I 3 right here. I 27 and a half. 3 to 3,000. Now 3 to 2 and a half. Down 31. 2. 31. 2. There's a better disc, boys. 32. 3. 4. 5. I 34 now. 5. 7, 8, now 38, now 38, 37, 38, now 9, 9, now 4, I'm at 900, now 4, now 4,000, now 441, now 2, 42, 2, now 200, now 2, now 200, now 41, now 42, here we go, at 42, 2, now 3, 3, I'm 4,200, now 3, I'm at 43, now 3, now 3, what do you want to do, boys, big, now get a baby, now 43, at 42, $100, now 300, now 300, now 4,300, now $300, I'm not going to be able to get 4,300. Sold it. $4,200. 3 in a row, didn't he? 167. He knows. All right, here we go. 811 right there. Big old chisel plow. All right, 100 down 2. I'm at 100 down 2. 200 down 2. 3. I'm not going to be able to get 4. I'm at 300 down 400 down 400 down 300 down 4. I'm at 400 down 4. 400 down 300 down 400. I'm at 400 down 300. 3 and a half, 4, 350 down 4, down 400. Now, internet, my increments have changed. You are now out. 3 and a half, 400. I'm at 350 down 4, 400 down 4. I'm at 350 down 4, 400. I get a baby 400 down, 400. Hello, Mark. I got 3.5 for. I 400 down, 400. Sold it 350. Bought it 115 is buyer, 115 another Anhydrous applicator. All right, $50 and 150. Now one and a half. I got 150. I'm at 150. I got 100 now 1.5. 150. I got 1.5. Here we go. 150. I got 150. Two. I got 150. Now half. I'm at 250. I'm at 2.5. I'm at 250. I'm at 3. I 3. I 250 bit 3. 300 now 3. 3. The demand here. I get a 3 build. Want to get 3. 300 and 3. 2.5, 3, sir. Want to get 300 and 3. Sold it 250. 179. Right on up here. Here we go. Here, guys. There's a green right there. Got the scale. Got it all. A&L 705 green card. David's ready to go, isn't it? All right. Now 10. You 10. 10. 2. 2,500. I 25. 3. I 335. 4. I 435. 4. I 445. 5. I 555. 6. I 6,000 now 5. I 6,000 now 7. It's 7,000 now 7 now 5. I got 7,000 bids, 7,500. You're not gonna need no time. 8,000 Dominion City, 8,085. 8 now 85. 85. Manitoba. I got 85. 85. I got 8,000 and 85. 85. 85. 8,500. I got 8,000 and 85. 85. Here we go. You're not gonna need 85. Anybody else? 82.5. 82.5. Here we go. Who said it? 82.5. I got 8,000 and 2.5. I got 8,000 and 2.5. Sold it. Dominion City, Manitoba. $8,000 on 85643. Pull up. We're gonna sell the combine first, Kazi. The combine first. Always a combine first. Always a tractor first. Here we go. All right, guys, we gather around right here. David, where are you at? Come up here and tell me about your combine, buddy. 6140. I think it's a 15-year model in the curb. 15-year model, 6140, 4-wheel drive, guys. Field tracker chopper, long auger now. Got the 520, 8542 drive tires with duals. Got 1,407 engine. Listen to this, 959, less than 1,000 separator hours. Pro 700, auto steer ready. Rock trap.
Yes, sir.
Got it all, boys. All right, coming running right here. Cowboys are going to say the combine now. Here we go. You're not going to bend 250,000 on 250. 100,000. Get out of here. 100 and a quarter. 100 and a quarter. 100 and a half. 75. I won 60, 75. Now 85. Now 2. Now $200,000. Now 2. I won 85. 2. Now $200,000. 210. I'm at 210,000. Now 10 and 10. No internet. You're not in. I get 200. 210. Now 10. I've got $200,000. 210. Give me 5, 205,000, 205,000. You're not gonna baby 200, 205,000. You're not gonna baby now 205. I'm at 205,000 now. He's coming to you, Williams. He's gonna bid you 205, 205,000 now 5, 200, 205,000. You're not gonna baby. Guys, I'm gonna tell you one thing. I know you didn't come here for me to tell speech, and I didn't come here to tell them. But if you want that size of combine, a Class 6 combine, those kind of hours, I don't have any more for you. And I don't know where they're at. They're hard damn things to find. Now, we've got 7 and 8 and 9. We got them running out our ears. But looky right here, boys. If you want that kind of machine, I don't know where you find it, but here today. I really don't. I'm not trying to be a smart ass or anything else about it, but right there it is, and it's clean, ready to go. 205. Do you want our internet? You're out. 205. 205,000. Now 5,000. Now 200. Now 5,000. You're not going to be able to get time to 205. 205,000. Now 5. Here we go. 200,000. Now 5. Back me up. 205,000. Now 5,000. Sold a combine. $200,000 on it. Where's it go, Kirby? 119. Where's it go?
Marshall.
Goes to Marshall, Missouri. All right, back up here. We're going to sell this big old draper head right here now. 839 to the 3162 30-footer Terra Flex draper head, and then we'll sell the cart now. All right, look at here now. Having another trip. I'm going to be right here. I'm going to get $13,000. $10,000. 12. I have 15, 17. I have 15 from the net. 17,000. I now 20 now 2. I 20 now 22.5. I 20 now 22.5. Now 5. I now 25,000. Now 5. 22,000. $25,000. You're not going to be 25. 25,000.
Kirby's interested in the head.
25, 25, 25, 75, 27, 30, 30 pound, 30, 30 pound, 30, 30 pound, 30 pound, give me 28,000 on her, 28 pound, 8 pound, 28,000, 28 now, 9 pound, 29 pound, 9 pound, 29, 28, 29 pound, 9 pound, 9 pound, 28, 29, 29 pound, 9 pound, 29,000, 28, 29, 29 pound, 9 pound, 29, 29 pound, on your piece of a curve now, 29 pound, 9 pound, 29 pound, 29,000. Sold. Internet buys, we go live 28,000, 6558. Now, guys, you got a really good horse. Is that a steerable rear or not? No. Guys, it's a good horse header wagon though too. 2,500. 25 3. 25 3. 3,000. 25 3. 3,000. 25 3. Yeah, I get 25 3. 3,000. 25 3. 3,000. Who you think I am? My name's not Jack. 25 3. 25 3. 3. I appreciate 25 3. I'm just kidding. 25. I wish it was 25 3. 3 3 now 3. No, not really. 25 3. 3,000. 3,000. 3,000. $23,000. I hope he's listening. 27 and a half. 25. 27 and a half. 7 and a half. 3. Now 3. Now 2 and a half. I'm a 3,000. 32. Come on, go internet quickly. 332 and a half. I'm 32 and 5. 35. 5. 5. 7 and a half. 35. 37 and 5. 35. 37. 7. Here we go. 35. 37 and a half on the cart now. 35. 7 and a half. 37 and a half. I have sold it. $3,500. 5 6s of iron. 5 6. Now the corn head, guys. The day I was down here, they were using the corn head right down there in the bottom from the Shaper Cutter store, boys. He's a good outfit every which way. All right there, 3408. It's a 14-year model is what I've got, guys. Do your own diligence here. Though, look at it if you want to. Here we go. $7,510. $10,000. 75. 10,000. You're not gonna be able to get 10. 10,000. You're 10. 10,000. 14. I got 75. 10. I got 75. 10. Thank you. That's 75. 10. 10,000. 8 now 85. 8 now 85. I got 8,000 now 5. And about 9. I'm at 995. I'm at 9,000 and 95. 5. 10. I'm 10,000 10. 10,000. Here a good corn head. 95. 10. 10,000 and 10. 10,000. 10. 5. I'm at 10,000 10. 5. 11. I'm 10. 5. 11. I now 11,000. 10. 5 from the net, boys. Pay attention now. $11,000. I now 11,000 now 5. I'm 11,000 now 5. 5. 11,000 now 5. 12. I'm at 12. 12. 5. 13. I got 13,000 now 5. 13. 13,000 now 13. 5. I'm at 13. 13. 5. 14. I got a baby 14,000 now 13. 5. 14 now 5. I now 14. 5. Do you want to 14. 5 and a net 14. 14. 5. Here we go. 14. 14. 5. I have the floor bidder, 14,000. 14, 5 and all done. 14, 5 and all done. You're not going to be able to get up 14, 5 and I have sold it. 14,000. You bought it. 14,000.
Hey, it goes to Owensville.
Owensville, Missouri, 215. The buyer now, homemade header wagon. 200 now 3. 200 now 3. 3 4. I'm at 300 now 4. It's a Horst. I get 300 now 4. 400 now 300 or H-O-R-S-E Horst. I 3 now 4. I now 400 now 300 now 4. 400 now 300 now 4. 400 now 3 4. Where you at 4? I'm at 300 now 4. 400 now 300 now 4 5. I now 500 now 5. 500 now homemade header cart. 4 5. I get 400 now 5. 500. 500 now 5. 500 now 5. 5. It is a John Deere 455. Pull up $400 and 5. 500 and 5. Sold it for $100 on 5154. 5154 is the buyer. All right, now we've sold the combine causing, so we're going up the next one here. Here we go. All right, going to sell this good planter right here now. Yes, sir. 837. The Case H 1200 AFS planter now. It's a 16-row, 30-inch, guys. This, you bet, got the trash whips on her, hydraulic markers, smart boxes, Pro 700 monitor, universal tractor harness now. You bet, right there. Brian Plow did all their planting with this planter. All right, look at it right here. And having another on good clean planter. Been riding the shed, boys. Having $1 here. $35,000. 35,000. 7,500. 10,000 on it. 7,500. 10 and 10,000. 10,000. Say out here. Look at down here. I get a baby. 10 and 10,000. 10 and 12. 10 10,012. I'm 10,012.5. I'm a 10,012.5. I'm a 10,012.5. What do you think there, Kirby? 10,012.5. 12,000. 10,012.5. It's 10,012.5. I'm a 10,012.5. 12.5. It's 10,012.5. 12,005. 10,012. 11,000. I'm at 10,011. 11, 11, 11, 11. I'm at 10,011. Clinch you on a little bit on there. 10, 11,000. 10,011. 10,011. 11,011. 11,011. 10, 11. I'm at 10,000. A lot of planter, guys. A lot of planter. 30-inch rows. You betcha. $10,000. $11,000. $11,000. 10,000. 11. 11,000. 10. 11,000. 10. I'm sorry. 8,000, 9,000, now 9. I got 8,000, now 9. I'm at 8,000, now 9. Now 9, now 9. 85, 85, gonna do it there. 85, but now 9. 85, 9. 85, 9, 9,000. 85, 9, 9,000, 9,000, 85, guys, there's not a damn thing in the world wrong with this planter but the price. And I know if it's not what you want, I understand it. I get it. I totally do. 85, 9. 9,000. 85, 9. I have 85, 9,000, 85, 9,000. Here we go. 85, 9,000. Anybody else? 9,000. Put your hand in the air. 95. I'm at 9. 9,500. I'm at 9,000. Up to you. Now 95. 95. Way say. I'm at 9,000. 95. I'm with Bill. I'm with Bill. $9,000.95. Yes, it's cheap. $9,000.95. I'm at 9,000.95. 95. Watch Buck. He's going to come buy a corn planter now. $9,000.95. I'm at 9,000. I'm not kidding you. I get 9,000. Watch him. I get 995. I'm at 9,095. Baby, $9,000. $500. Here, I get a bit of $9,500. I'm at 95. 10,000. 10,000. I'm at 95. 10,000. Here, 10, 5. 10,000. 5. 10, 5, 11. I'm at 10, 5. Just now sinking in. What am I doing? Isn't it? 10, 5, 11. 10. Bill, for you bidding? I get 10, 5, 11. I get 10, 5, 11,000. Now 11. Bill, for you bidding? I get 10, 5, 11,000. I get 10, 5, 11. I had 11,000. 11,000. 11. Baby, been 11. Baby, been $11,000. 10, 5, 11. I'm at 10, 5, 11,000. 11. Now, Bill, what are you going to do? 10, 5, $11,000. $11,000. Here we go. $11,000. I have. Give the planter. $10,500 on bid number. I think so. 85. Here we go to 900 right there in the case H. 900 here. All right, $1,000 right there. Kelderman fold art. All right, $1,000 on here. $1,000, 12.5. It's 1,250. I get $1,000, 12.5. 15. Now 1,500. I'm at 12. Here I get a baby again. 15. 12.5. 15. 12. Here I get a baby again. 1,500. I'm at 12. 15. 15. 15. 12.5. 15. 1,500. I get a baby 12.5. 15. I'm at 12. 15. 15. 13. 14. That's all right. 13. 14. I get 13. 14. 13. 14. 14. Got all the drums and the monitor. 14. 15. I'm at 14. 15, sir. I get 14. 15. And now 1,500. I get 14. Now $1,500. I get a baby doing 15. 15 and 16. 15. 16. 15. 16. He's out. 15. 16. I get 15. 16. I 15. 16. You're out, Mike. I 15. 16. I 15. 16. 16. 17. I 17. 17. Bill. 17. When I get 17. I 16. 17. The other Bill. I'm sorry. 16. So you're in the bill. Grat's in. 16. 17. I 16. 17. 17. 16. But you get 17. 17. 17. You bought them and I have sold it. 1,600. You bought it. 1,600. 7-0 wire number 70. Here's the 30-foot conventional drill, guys, they used right here. All right, 5,500. It's lot 835. All right, have it another time. 10,000 10. 10 to 2,500. I'm at 10, 2,500 now 5 3. I'm now 3 3,000 now 2,500 now 3 now 3,000 now 2,500 now 3. I'm at 2,500 now 3 now 3,000 you're not gonna be 3 now 3,000 now 2,500 now 3 now 3,000 you're not gonna be 2,500 now 3 now 3,000 now 25. 3 at 25 and now 3 35. I'm at 3,000 and now 35. I'm at 3 35 and now 35 and now 35 35 and now 35 and now 35 32 and a half. What are you trying to bid me there, buddy?
31. Get out of here.
32 and a half. Give me 32 and a half. I get 35 and now 35 35
teach you that too?
Yes, sir, buddy.
37.5, what's the say? How much?
39.
Damn, how you always count? 39. 4. Now 4 internet 4. 39 4. 4,000 now 4,000. 39 4. Now 4,000 now 4. I get 39 internet, you're out. 4,000. I'm at 39 4. I get 3900 now 4 and 4,000 now 4 and 4,000 now 4 and 4 internet. You want to do it? Moody, Missouri. 4,000 now 4. 3900 now 4 and 4,000 now 4,000 now 4,000 now 4. Well, sold. You get 3,900.
38.
38 is the buyer. 38 is the buyer. Now, guys, we lotted these separate. We're going to sell them together, right, Paige? You bet. Okay, 833, guys, is a Case IH SDX 30, easy for me to say, air drill with a 2400 commodity cart. Now it's 30-footer. Guys, it works the best. David used it all the time, guys. He said he can plant lots and lots of beans in a day's time with it, guys. You bet, 48 row, 4-tire blockage monitor. Now you talk about a good outfit, sell it all right there. How many dollars here? 30,000, I don't know. 30,000 now, 30,000 now, $10,000, 15. 10,000 now, 15. I'm at 10,000 now, 15. You 10,000 now, 15,000 now, 10,000 now, 15,000 now, 10, 12, 5. I'm at 10,000 now, 12,000 now, 12, 5. I get 10,000 now, 12,000 now, 12, 5. I get 10,000 now, 12, 5. I'm at 10,000 now, 12, 5. I'm at 10,000 now, 12, 5. I get 10,000 now, 11. I'm at 10,000 now, 11. I'm at 10,000 now, 11. 11,000 now, you're not getting 11,000 now, 11. Now 12. I get 11,000 now, 12, 13. I get 12,000 now, 13. I'm at 12,000 now, 13,000 now, 13, 13,000. I'm at 12,000 now, 13,000 now, 13, 13,000 now, 13, 14. 14, 14, now 14, here now 14, now 15. Now 15,000 now 15, 15. Little ones are going to get a baby now 15,000 now 15, 15 now 15. 15,000 now 15, 15,000 now ready to go. I get 14, 15. I 14, 15,000 now 15, 15,000. Here we go. I get 14, 15,000 now 15, 15,000 now 14, 15,000 now 14, 15. I'm at 14, 15,000 now 15,000 now. I've got Wheeler live at 13. You got to be 14 here live in the ring. 13, 14, 13, $14,000. No, 13, 14. I get 13, 14. I get 13, $14,000. I'm going to give me 14. I'm going to give me 13, 5. 13,005. I'm going to 13. I'm going to give 5. 13, 5. 13,000. A lot of tool guys for the money. I know it, but I got to go. 13, 5. You want it? Put your hand in the air. 13, 5. And I have. Yeah, 13,000 now 5. 13. I get look cheap down Kirby. I get 13, 13, 5. Do you want them? You're not going to be able to 5. 13, 5. And all that. Sold it. Wheeler line 13,000. 5268. The buyer 5268. Now you've got a nice little 15-footer right here with the Yetter no-till caddy on her here, guys. Lot 832. Case IH 5400 with the Yetter caddy right here. And having an honor 10 grand on her 33500. I 35 forward. I get 35 down 4. I'm 35 down 4 and 4. Charles, you want a piece of this? I get 35 down 4. Come on on. I get 35 down 4 and 4,000 down 4. 45. 45 down 5,000 down 5,000. I 45 down 5,000 down 55 down 55 down 55. 55 down 5,000 down 6,000 down 6,000 down 6,000 down 6,000 down 55 down 6,000 down 5. 665 65 down 5 5 down 65 down 5 down 6,000 down 5 6,000 down 5 down 5 down 6,000 down 5 5 down 65 down 5 down 5 62 and a half 5 62 and a half now 5 now 65 Drew here now 6,500 5 7 and a half 67 and a half 67 and a half 67 and a half Tony 65 now 6,600 Now 6,700. Now 6,700. 6,600 now 800. Now 6,800 now 8. Whoop 800 now 9. Now 900 now 99. Now 69. 69 now 7. 7 now 1. I'm at 7,000 now 71. Now 1. Now 2. 2. Down here down 2. At 71. Now 2. 19 now 2. 19 now 72. 2. Down here down 2. Now 2. Tony Coleman 72. 71. 2. Down here down 2. I have it all done. 71. 72. I have sold it. $7,100. $7,100.